Before you can start transferring a YouTube channel to another Google account, that YouTube channel must be a brand account. So I've segmented this video into how you can convert a YouTube channel to a brand account and also how you can transfer the YouTube channel to another Google account. So for you to check if your YouTube channel or the YouTube channel you want to transfer, if it is a brand account or a personal account, you go to your YouTube studio on a browser, then go to settings and then go to permissions. So if you have these two options, that means that your YouTube channel or the YouTube channel you want to transfer is a brand account. But if it looks this way, having just only one option that you can only invite and you can give people this type of access, that means that your YouTube channel or the YouTube channel you want to transfer is a personal account. So with this, you can't transfer this YouTube channel to another Google account. So we need to first of all convert this YouTube channel to a brand account. If your channel is already a brand account, you have to skip this part of the video and go to the next chapter where I will explain how you can immediately transfer a brand account to another Google account. To convert your personal YouTube account to a brand account, you go to settings, click on permission. So here you can see that you have only the option to invite someone to have a role on your YouTube account. So this shows that this is a personal YouTube account. So we need to convert it now. So to convert it, so you go to channels, then go to advanced settings, then scroll down and then click on manage YouTube account. So that will take you to this particular page. Click on the second one, which is add or manage YouTube account. So the idea here is that for me to convert my personal YouTube account to a brand YouTube account, I need to create another YouTube channel, which will be a brand account, and then move everything in my personal account to the new YouTube channel that I created. So just watch me. It's a very straightforward process. So now I will create a new YouTube channel and I'll give it this name, Learning Phase 2. So the first one is Learning Phase, then the new channel that I'm creating is Learning Phase 2. So when the channel is created, then you can see here, this is the YouTube channel Learning Phase 2. So if you go down to the switch account area, you can see I now have two YouTube channels. So the Learning Phase is the personal YouTube account, while the Learning Phase 2 is the brand YouTube account. That is the one I just created. Click on the new YouTube channel, so it will take us here. Then what we need to do, need to go back to the YouTube studio so that we can continue the process. So here you go back to settings on the new YouTube channel, click on channels, then go to the advanced settings again, then scroll down and then click on manage account. So it will take us back to this particular page again, and then we now choose the manage your channels. So what we want to do now, we want to select the old account, which is a personal YouTube account. So we select it and click add view advanced settings. Then you can see the option of move channel to a brand account. So when I click it, it will now take me to this page where we can see that already the new YouTube channel that I created, which is Learning Phase 2, is already a brand account. So when I quickly place, so when I accept it, it will now delete the new YouTube channel I created, then move everything from the old account to the new one. So this will possibly take just about 10 minutes to take effect. So when we go back to the manage channel account, you can see now that we have only one YouTube channel. So when I click on it, if I click on the channel status, it will now take us to this to the channel setting. You click on permission. So now what we're about to do now is now to transfer this YouTube channel to another Google account. So now that is a brand account, you can see that on the permission page, it has these two options, which shows that this the channel, which is a personal YouTube account, is now a brand account with these two options that is on the permission page. So the next thing to do is now is to transfer this YouTube channel to another Google account. So if your YouTube channel is already a brand account, this is where you will start your own process. You just click on manage permission. So here you can see that I am the only owner of this YouTube account. So what I want to do now, I want to transfer it to another Google account. So what I need to do is to click on this invitation icon on the upper right, then enter the email address of the Google account I want to transfer this YouTube channel to. Choose the role I want to give the person and then click invite. Automatically, the email address of the Google account you want to transfer it to will appear here, but you can't do anything until that Google account accepts the invitation. So you can see that it has invited an owner. So immediately the person accepts, or the Google account accepts the invitation, when you refresh it, you see that it automatically turns to owner. So at this point, you can now transfer this Google account to a primary owner. So the person will now be the primary owner. So you click the option and click primary owner. So mind you, before you can transfer this primary owner to the new Google account, this Google account must have been an owner for 7 days. So this process normally takes more than 7 days to process.
Several days later.
So now, after 7 days later, we are back here again. So this time around, we are going to try to transfer this YouTube channel to the new owner, which is the TM Media that you see on the screen. So we'll now upgrade them from owner to primary owner. So when we try this time, remember that it took 7 days to go through this process. So you can see now that the Google account we want to transfer it to is now the primary owner. Now, me being the owner, have been downgraded to ordinary owner, while the Google account I'm transferring it to is now the primary owner. So automatically, this Google account that I've transferred it to is now the new owner. So what I need to do, in order for my Google account to have nothing to do with this particular channel, I need to delete myself from this role. So all I need to do is just to remove myself from the YouTube channel, and that's all. So this is how to transfer a YouTube channel to another Google account. Like I said, this video will be useful if you want to separate your YouTube channels across multiple Google accounts, or if you want to transfer your YouTube channel ownership to a new owner. So this video explains everything, the whole process. So let me know if this video was helpful by giving it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so that you won't miss useful videos like this. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you separate your YouTube channels across multiple Google accounts, will that save you from having issues across your YouTube channels? Let me know the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.